lips and Tiranga is in my hand. I come from that nation where I proudly say Satyam Shivam Sundaram Vande Mataram. I come from that nation where we celebrate different culture, Punjab, Sindhi, Gujarat, Maratha. Patriotism is, I don't believe that patriotism is just standing for 52 seconds during the national anthem and shouting slogan Vande Mataram Bharat Mata Ki Jai. खतरा ना हिंदुओं से है ना मुसलमानों से है, इस मुल्क को खतरा ना हिंदुओं से है ना मुसलमानों से है, इस मुल्क को खतरा है तो बेईमानों और गद्दारों से है। भूल नहीं करना पापा की परी समझने की मुझे, भूल नहीं करना पापा की परी समझने की मुझे, वतन की रक्षा के खातिर हथियार उठाना आता है। इसी वतन की मिट्टी का गुणगान करती हूँ, इसी वतन की मिट्टी का गुणगान करती हूँ। सपना नहीं है मेरा स्वर्ग पर जाकर मोक्ष पाने का, तिरंगा कफन हो ये अरमान रखती हूँ। Ladies and gentlemen, today I am standing here to talk about patriotism and nation building. I come from that nation where Ganga is on my lips and Tiranga is in my hand. I come from that nation where I proudly say Satyam Shivam Sundaram Vande Mataram. I come from that nation where we celebrate different culture, Punjab, Sindhi, Gujarat, Maratha. I come from that nation where we welcome outsiders and we calls foreigners brothers and sisters. I come from that nation where we taught whole the world the path of karma and we never differentiate ourselves and others. My India is that milkant which drinks poison itself but give life others. Ladies and gentlemen, if someone asks you who are you, where are you come from, then tell them I am the mirror of history and Ganga and Jamuna is my eyes and I am the face of new India. And tell them whole world want a home in me and still you are asking where do I come from. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about patriotism and nation building. Patriotism is, I don't believe that patriotism is just standing for 52 seconds during the national anthem and shouting slogan Vande Mataram Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Because ladies and gentlemen, this is a situation where I see people break their moral and rules. This is a situation where I see people sell their value of truth, integrity and simplicity. This is a situation where I see two brothers in same home struggle to live in peace and harmony. This is a situation where I see our youth trapped by social media, setting and dating. You should understand that patriotism is, you should understand that not be a soldier. Being a soldier is not the only way to show the way of patriotism. Patriotism is a feeling, determination to society and family and country. Determination is bring the storm into the life of terrorists. I want to say all the terrorists, ए हवाओं में जहर घोलने वालों, ए हवाओं में जहर घोलने वालों, ये हवाएं हमारे इशारे से बदलती है। तुम क्या तस्वीर बदलोगे मेरे हिंदुस्तान की, शेरों के दिलों में माँ भारती बसती है। Ladies and gentlemen, patriotism is help a poor, elder person with medicine, it is patriotism. A journalist doing his job with honesty, it is patriotism. A teacher teaches students for their progress, not for money, it is patriotism. Patriotism is don't depend on any political party. If change any political party, if change any political leader, you should be continue to show your nation determination. And do live for nation, die for nation, it is patriotism. Our nation building is possible when our idols are not like Hollywood heroes, when our idols are like Wing Commander Abhinandan or Vikram Batra, nation building is possible. At last I want to share few lines. कि काश मेरी जिंदगी में सरहद की कोई शाम आए, कि काश मेरी जिंदगी में सरहद की कोई शाम आए, काश मेरी जिंदगी भी मेरे वतन के नाम आए। जब भी जिक्र हो शहीदों का तो उनमें मेरा भी एक नाम आए, उनमें मेरा भी एक नाम आए। जब कोई पूछे मेरे बारे में तो मेरी पहचान बता देना, जब कोई पूछे मेरे बारे में तो मेरी पहचान बता देना। उठाना तिरंगा हाथों में और माथे पे हिंदुस्तान लिख देना, माथे पे हिंदुस्तान लिख देना।